Hey everyone, Zach with Lawn Bow here in beautiful Rock Valley, Iowa. We've been blessed with some great weather, and so we're stepping outside, making a little homemade video for you. So my question is, have you guys ever wanted to do something different? And what I mean by that is, you've got a bean planter on your farm that you plant 15-inch beans, you got sugar beets, you got something else, you've just wanted to go from 30-inch or 36-inch down to a narrower row. Well, whatever you want to do, we can help you. So we've got 15-inch poly right here. Obviously this is in red. 15-inch is a little more complicated because you can't just buy the poly, unfortunately. You got to buy the whole row unit too, because our row units are specially made to get it down to that 15-inch width. And we've got 20-inch, and the snoot for the 20-inch, the 22, 24, and 26-inch all looks very similar. It's a little bit wider once you get up past 22, but that's some of kind of the crazy row widths that we can do. And then we've got our 30-inch as well. And all of these are a part of our CM poly line. CM poly is great because it's got a lower profile. It's got a rigid interior frame, so it holds it strong as you're going through the field. And as that corn, I don't have the hoods out here, but as that corn's hitting those hoods, that steel really helps with the impact resistance. So if you want to do something different, you got to start thinking today. Harvest is right around the corner. Or if you're prepping for next year, get an order in today while it's fresh in your mind. Save 6% on our website right now through the end of August. lawnbowmfg.com. Thanks.